Welcome to this ClickShare information video. In this video, I will show you how to set up your ClickShare CSE 200 for the first time. We'll cover the following topics: plugging in and getting started, testing the buttons, and how to configure your ClickShare. Let's see what's in the box. Well, you should find a ClickShare CSE 200 base unit, 2 antennas, 2 ClickShare buttons, and a power cable with regional adapters. Let's plug everything in and get started. First, connect the base unit to the meeting room display with an HDMI cable. Connect the base unit to your network with an Ethernet cable. You don't have to connect the base unit to your network, but it's recommended. And it allows you to manage the base unit remotely. And if the power is provided by your network, you do not even need to connect the power cable. If there is a separate audio system in your meeting room, plug in the audio jack or SPDIF. Connect the 2 antennas. Connect the base unit to the power supply. The LED should change from red to white. When it has stopped flashing, you should see the ClickShare wallpaper on your display and you are ready to share. Now let's use ClickShare. When you set up for the first time, test both of the buttons. Plug the button into your laptop. Then open the ClickShare client in Explorer or Finder. And when the button changes to static white, it is ready to share. Click the button. The button is now static red and your screen is shared on the meeting room display. You can press the button again to stop sharing. You will probably want to customize your settings, so let's configure our ClickShare base unit. You can access the base unit using the configurator through the ClickShare Wi-Fi network, in which case don't forget to enter the password. The default is ClickShare, or you can connect via the LAN. Enter the wired or wireless IP address of the ClickShare base unit shown on your wallpaper or screensaver. Next, log in using the username and password. The default are both admin. Let's start with changing the language of the configurator. Select your language for the interface from this pick list. Click on Personalization, select the on-screen ID and set the location and welcome messages. Don't forget to save the changes you make. Now let's change the configurator password. To do this, go to Security, click on Passwords and then change the Web UI password. Don't forget to press Save Changes when you've finished. If you want to change the ClickShare Wi-Fi passphrase, go to Wi-Fi and Network, then Wi-Fi Settings. If you change the Wi-Fi passphrase, don't forget to repair the buttons. You may also want to change the date, time or time zone of your base unit. To do this, go to System and select Date and Time. If you're using the meeting room audio system, you will need to change the audio settings. To do this, click on Display and Audio. Make sure the Enable Audio box is checked and change the audio output from HDMI to jack or SPDIF and click on Save Changes. You may also wish to force app users to enter a passcode. To do this, go to Wi-Fi and Network, click on Services and then change the mobile device's passcode type. When you have finished, click on Save Changes. So to recap, there are 3 steps to take when you're setting ClickShare up for the first time. Plug in and switch on, test the buttons, configure the base unit using the ClickShare configurator. For more information about how to use ClickShare, you can find other videos on our YouTube how-to series. And ClickShare installation manuals and user guides are also available from barco.com. Thank you for watching how to set up your ClickShare CSE 200 for the first time.